ready to level up your podcast and save tons of time. Let's dive into how you can add text to every single episode on Buzzsprout, so you don't have to manually edit them all. This is especially useful for adding a call to action, sharing a disclaimer, or simply including standard show notes. Unfortunately, Buzzsprout doesn't have a direct bulk editing feature like you might be hoping for, so we need to get a little creative with workarounds. The most practical option is to add your desired text, your call to action, disclaimer, or whatever carefully at the beginning or end of your episode descriptions during the episode editing steps. Start by going to your episode list, click Edit on an episode, find the description section, add your text within the editor. Remember, every episode will need to be manually edited. At the moment, click Save Episode. Then, test your text by looking up the podcast on your favorite podcast platform. Does it show up as you want? If yes, then great success. Using this description-based method is a quick way to ensure uniform text across all your episodes while not fully automated. It offers a streamlined solution to maintain consistency and save time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our links for more awesome tips.